Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Motorola Edge 40 Neo, a budget-friendly smartphone that's making waves in the market. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk design and build quality. Motorola has really stepped up its game with the Edge 40 Neo. Sporting a premium curved design and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, this phone feels anything but budget. The 6.55-inch POLED display is vibrant and immersive, although some users have reported minor issues with false input due to the curved screen. In terms of performance, the Edge 40 Neo doesn't disappoint. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset and 12 GB of RAM, this phone handles everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're scrolling through social media or multitasking between apps, you can expect a smooth experience. Now, let's talk cameras. The Edge 40 Neo features a capable 50 megapixels main sensor backed by OIS, delivering detailed and well-balanced shots in various lighting conditions. Plus, with a 13 megapixels ultra-wide camera, you can capture more of the scene in your photos. While the selfie camera may not be the strongest point of this phone, it gets the job done for your everyday snaps. Battery life and charging are also important factors to consider. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Edge 40 Neo easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with the display set to its maximum 144 Hz refresh rate. And thanks to the included 68W charger, you can quickly top up your battery in no time. When it comes to software, Motorola's clean take on Android 13 shines through. With minimal bloatware and thoughtful features like family space for parental controls, the user experience is intuitive and clutter-free. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo offers exceptional value for money. With its premium design, strong performance, capable cameras, and long-lasting battery, it's hard to find a better smartphone in the sub-£300 price range. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast on a budget, the Edge 40 Neo has something to offer. That wraps up our review of the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech goodness.